Hey sand fans and lunatics, Sand Phil here. Well, we got in some rebuild kits for those carburetors for the four-wheeler. There's a part number on it, if you guys can see it. There it is. We're going to try this brand. I've never tried one of these before, but the last time I rebuilt the carburetors for this four-wheeler, some of the gaskets were way too big, so I intentionally ordered a different brand of them this time, and we're going to see how this goes. Hopefully everything's going to work out great. Well, let me go hook up the air compressor and start getting stuff set up, and we'll be right back. Alright, well, the air compressor finally kicked off. So we're going to clean these things up. Now they've been soaking in my parts cleaning tank for about a week now. But we're going to blow all the little holes out and orifices and things out of this with some carb cleaner. Normally I just spray the carb cleaner right in my eye and get that over with. But in my older age I've learned that, you know what, just look silly and put on your face shield, and that way you don't spray it right in your eye. So we're gonna start cleaning these up, and then we'll get to rebuilding them. Okay, that went pretty good. I'm gonna go wash all this junk out of this pan, and then we'll get to rebuilding. All right, we are back. Now I am going to blow all this stuff out with my air gun. everybody. There you go. 2 carbs rebuilt for the Ninja Warrior. Well, I am going to clean all this up, and then we're going to go put these on the bike and see how they do. I'll be right back. Okay, let me hit the battery post up, or the battery to the, yeah. Let me hook this battery up. See if she'll start. Alright, make sure she's in neutral. Good. You guys think she'll start? I think she'll start. I got faith. She's gonna start so we can go to the dunes. Alright. I'm gonna choke it. Sounds good. She's idling perfect. I think we got it, guys. Hey, she's idling great. One more thing fixed. We are one step closer to going to the dunes, guys. Hey, if you like the videos, please subscribe. That sure helps out the channel. I've also got a Patreon page. I'll put the link in the description below.
Well, hey, this is Sand Phil out. You guys be safe on the dunes. Bye.